Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to teach you basic rebrands for your YouTube channel, your icon, and also your YouTube banner without using Photoshop. So let's get started. So first, I would like to introduce you to this very useful app called Over by GoDaddy. And there's so many different graphics app online nowadays. They're all web-based, so basically you don't need to have Photoshop installed on your computer. You can just go on your browser, or if you're on a smartphone, that's even better news. So you can do your graphics on the go and later on go back to your browser to finish up the work. Here on Over, there are a lot of different templates, but not all of them are free. Some of them you might need to sign up for the pro account, but in this video we are going to try to use the free version to design something basic. So here we are going to look for the dimension for a YouTube channel art. It's already in one of the templates. Next, we are going to look for some graphic. I'm going to look for something very simple, just in tag. And, let's see what we can find. We can always change it later. Alright, so I finally found a free one here. So drag and drop onto the canvas. I'm going to change the size a bit to fit the canvas. Remember, there's only a portion of the screen for YouTube channel art to be visible, so you try to put everything in the middle. And the next step, we're going to add a background color because I don't want to have a transparent background color. So I'm going to look for my favorite yellow color, and you can slide the color handle to find the color that you want. One thing I really like about this app are the layers. Just like in Photoshop, you can browse different layers. And now I'm going to add a new layer for title, the main text of the channel art. Now I'm going to increase the font size a little bit. Once again, I'm going to put it in the middle. That's the save area for YouTube channel art. Change the font. I'm surprised with free version there's good selection of free font. Here I can even change the curve of just make it pop a little bit by adding some shadows. Okay, looking good. So the last step I'm going to do is to tone down the opacity of the graphic so it's not interfering with the main title. And the next thing I'm going to do is add a YouTube logo. Okay, looking pretty good here. I'm not quite sure about the graphic in the background, but I can always change it later. Now we're going to save this file. We are going to save this as JPEG. Here we go. We are going to download this image onto your computer. And now go back to your channel. Go to Customize Channel. Go to Branding. And here you can upload your banner image. So here we go. Selecting the files, and you see what I was talking about earlier about the save area. There's only the middle center part that is visible on YouTube. And hit save. Now we're done. We're done with the banner art. You can call it banner image. The next we are going to design a watermark. We'll switch back to Over app, and we're going to select a new project. Over doesn't really have the size for watermark, so we have to look for the size for ourselves. It's 150 by 150. We can start a custom size canvas here. I'm going to do something super simple. I'm just going to put my name on it. It's not even my full name. The same font as my banner art. And here I'm not going to have a background color. I'm only going to have a font color. Now everything's good to go. We're going to export it. And now we have to use PNG because I would like to have a transparent background. Here I click PNG, export. It's also going to download to your computer and just go back to your customization page. Select the file from the computer and upload. That's it. To go. You can have different options for when to show the watermark. I put it for the entire video and publish it. Let's take a look. It's right here. Nice and simple. And I really like the transparent background. It makes it really pop. Finally, I'm going to change the profile picture of my YouTube channel. Back to the previous image. For this one, I would like to add a background color for it. I'm going to do this Wolverine blue. If you're not sure about what Wolverine blue is, it's actually my favorite American football team color. This time we will choose JPEG because there's no transparent background. Alright, so it's on my computer. Go back to channel customization and upload a file. Oops, it's a little bit too big because it's a circle profile picture. Let me go back and resize the text a little bit. Make it smaller. Looks like this is going to fit. Let's try and find out. Alright, it fits perfectly. So that's it, guys. Very easy, straightforward, no design skills required, no Photoshop. Anyone can do it. So try it out yourself. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.